Hi everyone, in front of me I've got AGM H6 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera. And right now we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. And here we have to localize the option which is called countdown duration. So it is not the timer, but countdown duration. So simply tap on it, and in this device we've got three different options. So off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is notified right here. So now we can go back to the camera, and unfortunately we do not have any kind of indicator that we've got the timer set, but that's okay. Simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so in order to turn off the timer, go back to the settings in the right upper corner, tap on the countdown duration and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.